Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up free shipping on your Shopify store, but not just any free shipping, the right way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an automatic free shipping offer like free shipping over $50, which can help boost your sales and give your shoppers extra incentive to buy a little more. Let's dive right in and set this up together. First, we'll head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Discounts tab and give that a click. This is where all your promotions live, from coupon codes to site-wide offers. Once you're in the Discounts area, look for the Create Discount button. It's usually up in the top right corner. Click on that. Now, you'll see a few options pop up. Choose the free shipping option. Don't confuse this with the percentage or fixed amount discounts. What we want is specifically free shipping, so make sure you select that one. Once you've done that, it'll ask what type of discount you want to create. Here, I recommend choosing Automatic Discount. This is really helpful because it means your customers don't have to enter any codes manually. Once their cart qualifies, free shipping will just be applied automatically. No extra work for them, and fewer barriers to completing their purchase. Next up, let's name our discount. Good naming keeps everything organized, especially if you run a lot of different promos. I suggest calling it something like free shipping over $50. This is clear, both for you and your team. It also helps you quickly spot the offer later if you need to edit or pause it. After naming it, let's decide where this offer should apply. Under Countries, you'll want to select all countries unless you want to limit this free shipping to just certain regions. If you ship internationally, keeping it open to everyone can help encourage larger orders from all your customers, not just those nearby. Now comes a really important detail: setting the purchase type and eligibility. Here, you'll specify the minimum purchase amount needed for the free shipping to kick in. So, set that minimum to $50 or whatever works for your business. The idea is to reward shoppers for filling up their cart. This is a classic way to increase your average order value. For example, if someone has $48 worth of products, they might just add an extra item to hit that $50 mark. Further down the page, you'll see something about combinations. This is Shopify's way of letting you decide if this free shipping discount can be used alongside other promotions, like a percentage off sale. If you don't want customers to combine discounts, just leave the combinations setting as it is. Shopify's defaults should work for most stores, but you can tweak it if you're running a big sale and want to limit double dipping. Now, let's talk timing. Scroll to the scheduling section, where you can set start and end dates and even specific times. For example, if you want to launch your free shipping offer this Friday at midnight and end it next week, just set those dates and times here. If you'd rather leave it ongoing and manually turn it off later, that's okay too. Just remember, setting clear times helps avoid confusion for both you and your customers. Once everything looks good, double-check your details, then go ahead and hit Save. Shopify will now activate your automatic free shipping over $50 discount on the schedule you set. That's it. Sometimes it takes a few moments to show up live, so don't worry if it's not instant. And there you have it. A quick, effective way to drive more sales with a smart free shipping offer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.